Playing games using laptop computer has become a trend among gamers in recent years due to the on-the-go gaming possibilities. Interestingly, some high-performance computer users also prefer gaming laptops over other versions of power computing, like desktop and all-in-one computers. Effortless portability, fantastic visual output, and speedy processing are the most vital attributes that attract gamers to modern-day gaming laptops. Along with other computer producers, ASUS has been concentrating on designing gaming laptops, and the company has introduced some fantastic gaming laptops in the market. The Ryzen 5 15.6-inch gaming laptop from ASUS is our selection for today, and we believe it would be an excellent choice for laptop gamers.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The ASUS Ryzen 5 gaming laptop is a creatively designed, stylish laptop. The exterior look of the computer is futuristic, and everyone would appreciate its fashionable appearance. It has a 15.6-inch diagonal full HD energy-efficient backlight display with 1920 by 1080 resolution. The visual output on the screen is bright, colorful, and we love the picture quality. The laptop has Windows 10 with all the necessary applications installed in it. ASUS Ryzen 5 gaming laptop comes with second generation 3.7 GHz AMD Ryzen 5 35500H processors that make it a powerful laptop. The 4 cores with 8 threads processing ensures speedy input process output cycle. The inclusion of 16GB DDR4 RAM in the computer has facilitated multitasking through its fast processing technology, and ASUS has used NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics processor in the machine to ensure smooth gaming experience. You may expect to achieve up to 60 frames per second performance in some popular games. The ASUS Ryzen 5 gaming laptop has 256GB reliable state storage, which is sufficiently faster than regular HDD drive. The computer has a dimension of 14.2 by 10.3 by 1.1 inches. The weight of the laptop is 5.95 pounds, easy to carry in your backpack. Ryzen 5 has a good battery that lasts for more than 4 hours. If you're looking for a portable, high-speedy gaming machine at a reasonable price, then the ASUS 15.6-inch Ryzen 5 gaming laptop could be a great choice. We've explored the users' ratings for this laptop, and it suggests that most of the buyers would recommend it as a good gaming laptop. The Ryzen 5 has got 4.4 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 80 user ratings on Amazon. Users have given the computer good reviews because of its fantastic gaming performance and long-lasting battery life. Here are some comments from real users. One user on Amazon has given the ASUS laptop 5 stars and written, "It's been a few weeks and I'm still loving this laptop. I'm a big multitasker who needs a computer that can handle a lot of stuff at once and still be responsive. And I also like to play games. No issues as of yet." Another user has given 5 stars rating and said, "For under 700, this laptop is quite the beast. I grabbed the 16GB 256GB SSD. It's better going with a 1TB external SSD than paying the extra 100 for the 1TB HDD. It doesn't say, but the graphics card has 3GB of dedicated memory. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with the purchase. It'll play most games at high video quality with impressive FPS." Some users didn't find it to be a good laptop. Among them, one person gave it 2 stars and wrote, "It was decent until the laptop kept crashing. Microsoft tech support even attempted to fix it, but it only fixed it for a day. This happened 4 times in the course of a few days and is very irritating. I don't blame the seller, and I don't know if this is normal, but it happened to me." That's all we have on the ASUS 15.6-inch gaming laptop Ryzen 5 for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.